Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Joseph's life looks like a long road with many turns. At first, he is loved by his father and given dreams from God. Then his life suddenly falls apart. He is hated by his brothers, thrown into a pit, and sold as a slave later. Even when he does the right thing, he is sent to prison, but God never leaves Joseph. Step by step, God is quietly working. In God's time, Joseph is lifted from prison to the palace. Joseph's story teaches us that God's plans do not fall even when life feels confusing or painful. God rules over every season, good and hard, and He always keeps His promises. So ayon po sa Genesis chapter 37, verse 2 to 11. So mahaba po siya. So James, a young man of 17, was tending the flocks with his brothers, the sons of Bilhah and the sons of Zillah, his father's wives, and he brought their father a bad report about them. Now Israel loved Joseph more than any of his other sons because he had been born to him in his old age, and he made an ornate robe for him. When his brothers saw that their father loved him more than any of them, they hated him and could not speak a kind word to him. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, life under God is a beautiful life. So, ang buhay na isinasabuhay kasama ang Diyos ay tunay na maganda. Hindi ibig sabihin na madali ito o walang problema, pero may kapayapaan, direction, at pag-asa. And life flourishes through pain and suffering. So, ang sakit at paghihirap ay hindi sayang. Madalas ito tayo lumalakas, nahuhubog, at mas nagiging totoo. And life is meant to glorify the life giver. So, ang buhay natin ay hindi lang para sa sarili. Lahat ng meron tayo, talento, lakas, tagumpay ay galing sa Diyos. And sa applications naman po, believe the challenges are simply different colors of life and bloom exactly where God has planted you. And boast in the Lord for every victory. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.